Hello students. So we were discussing about moment of inertia and center of gravity. Okay, so what is center of gravity? I told it is a point where whole weight of the body acts, means at a single point whole body weight is concentrated. Or if you measure a weight of a body, and if you measure a weight of a body at a single point, a particular point, both are same, then that point we can call it as a center of gravity or centroid. Now we will see centroids of standard section for square, where the centroid we will get at the center. How? From the a to b, if we take a half, or if we divide a to b by 2, what will get? The center of the a and b. From there we will draw one line, and a to d we will take a half, or we'll take a center of that a to d, and we'll draw another line. Now the both lines where get intersect, that point we can call it as a centroid of a square. Now when we come to the next rectangle. Now in this, if you see a to b we have to take one center, and a to d we have to take one center, and draw lines from this side and this side, and where we will get a center point, that point we can call it as a centroid of a rectangle, and it is indicated by G. And the area of rectangle, how we will find? Breadth and depth. This is breadth and this is depth, and the same for the square. This is breadth and depth. Okay, now we'll come to the triangle. Okay, now in triangle, if you want to take a centroid, what we have to do? We have to take a center of, if this is A, B and C, we have to take a center of A and B, and we have to draw one line. We have to take a center of A and B, and we have to draw one line. Now come to B and C. Now take a center of B and C, draw one more line, and take a center of C and A and draw another line. Now these three lines where they get intersect, that point we can call it as a centroid of triangle. Now remember, always centroid is not or we can say centroid should not be at the center of that body. It may anywhere, but for the standard section, this is the general procedure how to find centroid. Okay, now if you see this is not exactly at the center. Okay, now then where it is? We can say from the bottom, it is from bottom A and B, it is h by 3. 1/3 part of the height of the triangle. 1/3 part means h by 3. And from the top, if you want to measure centroid, from the C, if you want to measure, it is 2/3 means 2h by 3. 2h by 3, it is from the top. Okay. Then what is the area of triangle? It is half BH. Half base and height. Base and height. Okay. Now we'll see right angle triangle. Now for right angle triangle, it is bit different. Okay. Now if you see this, right angle is exactly on this corner. Okay. Now this the procedure is same to find the centroid. Take a half from this 2 points, take a half from this 2 points, take a half from these 2 points, and draw straight lines. Okay. Then where all lines are getting intersect, at that point we will get G. Now to find G, or after getting G, we can say it is 1/3 from the base. If you want to measure G over here, it is how much long from here to here? It is h by 3, and from top to here distance is 2h by 3, and from right angle triangle to this side, okay, it is b by 3, means this is base having some amount, okay, that base divided by 3, and from here to here it is 2b by 3. And area of a triangle, same it is half bh. Now we will see about circle. Now it is everyone knows that circle having center at what point? Exactly at the center, where we can draw the circle. Okay, to find that center, what to do? This is the diameter of a circle. Take a half of diameter, from this point to this point we can get a centroid of that circle. Then what is the formula for the circle, area of a circle? Pi by 4 d square. This is the formula to find area of a circle. Now if circle is half, or we can say semicircle is there, then what we can do? How to find the centroid? There is one formula, that is 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. With this formula we can find the centroid of semicircle. This may found somewhere here, okay, and r is nothing but radius of a circle, and area of a circle, area of a semicircle is half pi r square. Half pi r square, half of this only, half of this we can say, okay. Now to find centroid of trapezium, trapezium is like at the base it's having distance or dimensions b, and at the top a, and height is having h. So centroid from base, if you are measuring centroid from here to here, it become b plus 2a divided by a plus b into h by 3, and centroid from the top a plus 2b, a plus b, h by 3. This is a direct formula to find centroid from base and top.